torso target. Another torso target. Winchester 94 30-30. Gonna be shooting the RCBS 130 grain Spitzer cast bullet, my hand load. Then the Smith & Wesson 686 357 Magnum. Be shooting my hunting load with 180 grain HP-XTP 30-30 at 250 yards. The 357 at 40 yards. I've taken these shots with the AK this morning and did good with the rifle, not so good with the 1911. Had to do a double take to figure out where this black spot was, but boom, right through the leaves, right into it. Well, I screwed that second shot up because I wanted to shoot it double action and I shot it single action. So next time I'll try to do it right. And my second shot's a headshot. My first shot, it looks like a maybe high. I don't know. I don't really see no hits. I jerked it the first shot, just like I would the AK, you know. I jerked the AK, and I find no problems doing that. But evidently with the Win 94, you can't really jerk it. Maybe. You know, if I like hit up in this head somewhere, it might just be I just didn't take enough time. Because I thought I was going to hit more in the chest, but it might just hit higher than I thought it was going to. I think it does, yeah. Now that I think of it, I should have been on my second sight setting. But, oh well. But with this one, my first shot, I was reaching for the safety and I was thinking, oh no, what the... And then I realized I don't have the 1911. And then I went to take the shot and I was aiming up here and thinking, oh, those leaves or are those my square? And then I took a second look and okay, there's the square, and then I took the shot double action. But then the second shot I said, okay, I've got the 686, and subconsciously I cocked it and then took that shot where I don't want to do that, you know.